Spectrum routers support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. The 2.4 GHz band is essential for older devices and provides better range, while 5 GHz offers faster speeds but shorter coverage. First, connect to your Spectrum router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser on your connected device and enter the router's IP address, often 192.168.1.1. This is usually found on the router sticker or in the Spectrum app. Log in to the admin panel using the default credentials, typically admin and password, or the ones provided by Spectrum. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section in the router interface. In the wireless settings, enable the 2.4 GHz band if it's currently disabled. Activating this band ensures compatibility with older devices and provides a wider coverage area, especially useful in areas with thick walls or long distances. Separating the 2.4 GHz band from the 5 GHz band can improve network stability and device performance. In the router's wireless settings, look for options like band separation or guest network. Create a new SSID specifically for the 2.4 GHz band, such as My Network 2.4. Assign this SSID to the 2.4 GHz frequency only. This prevents older devices from connecting to the faster but shorter range 5 GHz band. After saving the changes, reconnect your 2.4 GHz compatible devices to the new SSID. Use network analysis tools like Wi-Fi Analyzer to verify the connection and optimize channel selection. This configuration is especially beneficial in crowded wireless environments to reduce interference and improve the performance of legacy devices. Regularly check for firmware updates via the Spectrum website or app to maintain optimal router functionality and security.